Here you go, Elijah. Should we sing happy birthday to Elijah again?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elijah. Happy birthday to you.
I can't bring this home.
Yes, you can.
Uh-oh.
The present. That's your very own Skippy John Jones book. Okay.
You can keep it.
So we can. Skippy Jones. Skippy Jones.
Johnny's waking up with the birds.
Is he? Do you know the story?
Yes.
We'll have to read it tonight before you go to bed, right?
There's his mother.
What's he doing? Huh? What's he doing? Is he bouncing?
He's doing this.
Oh.
Bouncing. But he's climbing into the door and he said, "Watch for to the old John toy."
Okay.
Look at here, the map. Look at this is a funny picture.
It is.
Look at
What's gonna happen?
They're helping Mama make lunch, but they're really not helping.
Oh, are they getting into trouble?
Hmm. They're getting into trouble like Skip John Jones is getting into trouble.